when you're done playing for the day, follow these steps to ensure the safety of your instrument and your equipment. So first thing, take off your neck. Disconnect the mouthpiece from the neck. You can place the neck aside for now. Now we're going to want to unfasten the ligature and get the reed off. Place the mouthpiece away, and then put the reed back into its case, because the reed is the most breakable thing. So you're going to want to put that away first. Now, you can take your swab and run it through the neck, like so. Usually I do largest opening to smallest opening. And make sure that all of the moisture is out. You can do the same thing with the mouthpiece as well. And put that away safely. Now you can do the exact same thing with the body of the instrument. So you can disconnect it from your neck strap. And then again, put it in the large opening, and then place it that way, and then make sure that it's down, and then just flip it upside down, carefully, of course. And then you'll see it hanging out of here, and then you just pull gently. Make sure all the moisture is out. Sometimes you have to take 1 or 2 times. To make sure that the body, this end here, is safe, you should have a cap. You can fasten it back up and put it away. And now your saxophone is safe and clean.